my yawning and stretching out the way right now. Hello. We are watching, or reacting to, excuse me, now, Doja Cat's Imagine. It has the least amount of views on it out of all the ones that I've seen, because the rest of them have been literally within the millions and, like, whatnot. So, let's see what this is about. Shit. Because I heard, like, literally 1 second before I, like, started recording, and, you know, maybe not. Let's just go right in. I typically like the least popular songs on an album anyway, so. It's alright. I like the song. Like, if we're taking out, like, look, if we're taking out her vocals, which I haven't heard the whole song, so I can't, like, judge them together. But so far, I like the song structure. I didn't take musical theory. I don't know all of that. But so far, I like it. That's what I was going to say. That's all I wanted to say.
My final fall, tell them I'll try you please. Baby, I blow your mind. By all means, dynamite, dynamite. Imagine, put the studio in the mansion.
I like this one. Like, I had a feeling I was gonna like this one a lot more, but I didn't realize I was gonna like it this much more than all the other ones. Like, definitely top 3. It's the third. Just if you couldn't figure that out. I don't care too much for the auto-tune, I'm not gonna lie. But he's great. Yeah, I definitely like this one a lot. Like, yeah, the song itself was much better than, like, all of her other island beat stuff. So, 9 out of 10. I don't give a fuck. 9 out of 10. It's very solid. Very, very solid. It was kind of basic with the imagine, but, you know, like, songs can be that. I was fucking with it. I don't have anything else really to say. You know? I kind of said it all. Imagine. It's okay. If you like this, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And let me know what you want me to watch. Let me know what you want me to listen to. Drop them in the comments. And I'll see you guys later.